Whenever I'm running a Google or looking at a Google ad account, I'm thinking of the 4-step scaling framework. It's only a framework that I use, but it's very, very simple. And the whole mantra of Google Ads should be keeping your accounts simple. All too often, I'm seeing too many campaigns being run in a Google Ad account, which is just overcomplicating what needs to be done. So simple structure first and expansion later, which is just scaling. So let's follow this 4-step scaling framework. So streamline your campaigns, which just means if you've got 8, 9 campaigns, the chances are you only need 1 or 2 campaigns. So consolidate what you have and just focus in on the 1 or 2 campaigns that are working. Once that's getting your results, whether that be lead generation or e-commerce, then you can look to scale vertically. Scaling vertically is just increasing your budget, but doing it in a correct manner for Google so it doesn't go back into a learning phase or put your account backwards. Increase the budget by 20% increments over 5 to 7 days. If you see the results are fine, then again, increase the budget another 20% of the time. You can scale very, very quickly by doing this and you're staying safe, making sure you're continually getting results. If at any point you're scaling vertically and you find that you've hit CPC resistance, so CPCs are starting to rise as you're increasing the budget, you might have hit a CPC resistance. And or the other thing you need to look at is as you're scaling, if you're not seeing the amount of conversions coming through based on the amount of budget you're increasing, again, you might have hit the resistance. So we need to be looking at search impression share. If that's high, then potentially Google is saying to you that you can't scale anymore vertically. What you need to do is scale horizontally. So if you've got a search campaign, what you can do is create a PMAX campaign, a demand gen campaign, or you can create a shopping campaign if you're running an e-commerce store. That way you're adding in horizontal scaling. So if you follow the 4-step scaling framework,